Poppler-utils and pandoc are packaged to most Linux distributions and are available in the default repositories. If you want to convert a simple PDF file that has no images or tables, then converting it to Markdown is easy. You can do the PDF to Markdown conversion with a single command. But if the PDF file has images, then you need to manually extract the text and images from the PDF, and then convert the text to Markdown and finally attach the images in the resulting Markdown file one by one. Use pdftotext to extract text while keeping the layout. This will save the text in output.txt. Use pdfimages to extract images. All images will be saved in the Images folder. Since pdf-to-text produces plain text, you can convert it to Markdown using pandoc. This converts the extracted text into a Markdown file. You may need to manually adjust formatting if needed. As stated already, if your file has images, you have to manually place them at the appropriate place in the output Markdown file. In your Markdown file, you can add images like this. You need to adjust the file names to match your extracted images. You can also simply copy the image and paste it directly in the Markdown file.